Welcome to the Executive MBA, your go-to channel for business and analytics education. This is the start of our Power BI series designed to help you master data visualization and business intelligence. In the start of the series, we shall begin with the course introducing Power BI, where we will be exploring the fundamentals of Power BI and how the different components work together. Power BI is a powerful suite of software services, applications, and connectors designed to transform raw, unrelated data into meaningful, interactive, and visually engaging insights. It enables users to connect to a wide variety of data sources, including Excel spreadsheets, cloud-based platforms like Azure and Google Analytics, on-premises databases such as SQL Server, and hybrid environments that combine both cloud and on-premises data. With Power BI, users can seamlessly integrate these diverse data sources, visualize key trends and patterns through interactive dashboards and reports, and gain valuable insights to support data-driven decision-making. The platform allows for easy data modeling, enabling users to clean, transform, and structure their data for more effective analysis. Once insights are generated, Power BI makes it simple to share findings with colleagues, teams, or entire organizations through secure collaboration tools. Whether you're working independently or within a large enterprise, Power BI empowers you to explore data, identify trends, and communicate insights in a visually compelling way. We shall now start with the components of Power BI. Power BI is made up of several key components that function together, starting with these three core elements: Power BI Desktop, a Windows application for creating and designing reports; Power BI Service, a cloud-based SaaS platform for sharing and managing reports and dashboards; Power BI Mobile apps available for Windows, iOS, and Android, allowing access to reports on the go. These three core elements, Power BI Desktop, the Power BI Service, and the mobile apps, are designed to help you create, share, and access business insights in a way that best fits your role and needs. In addition to these, Power BI includes two more key components: Power BI Report Builder, a tool for designing paginated reports, which can be shared through the Power BI Service; Power BI Report Server, an on-premises solution for publishing and managing Power BI reports created in Power BI Desktop. How you interact with Power BI depends on your role within a project or team, as different users engage with the platform in different ways. For instance, if your primary responsibility is to review reports and dashboards, you might rely mainly on the Power BI service to access insights. Meanwhile, a business analyst or data specialist may spend most of their time in Power BI Desktop or Power BI Report Builder, creating detailed reports before publishing them to the Power BI service for others to view. A sales team member, on the other hand, might use the Power BI mobile app to track sales performance and explore new leads while on the go. For developers, Power BI provides APIs that allow integration with other applications, enabling automated data transfers into semantic models or embedding dashboards and reports into custom software solutions. Developers can even create custom visuals and share them with the broader Power BI community. Your interaction with Power BI might also vary depending on the project at hand. You could use Power BI Desktop to build reports on customer engagement, while monitoring inventory and manufacturing updates through a real-time dashboard in the Power BI service. If you need to generate a batch of invoices, Power BI Report Builder allows you to create paginated reports based on Power BI semantic models. With Power BI, each tool is designed to fit different needs, making it a flexible and powerful solution for data analysis and decision-making. A common Power BI workflow starts by connecting to data sources in Power BI Desktop, where you can build and design reports. Once your report is ready, you publish it to the Power BI service, making it accessible to business users who can view and interact with the report through the Power BI service or the Power BI mobile app. This process highlights how the three core Power BI components, desktop, service, and mobile, work together to create a seamless reporting experience. In the Power BI service, the deployment pipeline tool allows you to test and refine content before releasing it to users. This tool helps you deploy reports, dashboards, semantic models, and paginated reports efficiently, ensuring accuracy and consistency across different environments. By using deployment pipelines, organizations can streamline their reporting process, reduce errors, and maintain high-quality insights for end users. Microsoft Fabric is a comprehensive platform that unifies data and services, simplifying data analysis and analytics across multiple sources. It integrates various tools into a single environment, making it easier for organizations to manage and extract insights from their data. Power BI is one of the key services within Microsoft Fabric, allowing users to connect, analyze, and visualize data efficiently. For example, an organization's OneLake data store serves as a central repository where data can be accessed, analyzed, and transformed into meaningful business insights. Large enterprises benefit from Microsoft Fabric because it helps organize and maximize the value of vast data collections, leveraging services like Power BI to convert raw data into actionable intelligence. With the introduction of Microsoft Fabric, administration for Power BI is now managed within the Fabric ecosystem. However, core Power BI tools, Power BI Desktop, and the Power BI service continue to function as before. Whether working with data stored in OneLake, Excel, or other sources, Power BI remains a powerful solution for turning data into meaningful business insights. That wraps up this introduction to Power BI. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what Power BI is and how it can help transform data into insights. In our next video, we'll dive into Power BI Desktop, main application used to create interactive reports and dashboards. We'll explore its interface, key features, and how to get started with your first report. Be sure to watch to gain hands-on knowledge and enhance your Power BI skills.